Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So today's video is about how to draw a basic fashion figure. If you are someone who loves drawing fashion illustrations, or you are a budding designer like me, then you either know or you definitely should know how important it is to draw a perfect fashion figure to convey your ideas. If your figure is not good, your dress will not look good and you will not be able to convey your ideas the way you want. So here is a quick guide for you to how to draw a basic fashion figure. So now let's quickly get to the video.
First, I'm drawing a straight line which is approximately 10 inches. And then I'm dividing the line into 10 equal parts. For the head, I'm starting with a circle and then extending the circle to make an oval shaped face. The face ends at 1 inch where the neck starts, and the neck will end at 1.5 inches approximately where the shoulder will lie. 1 inches below the shoulder, I will mark the bust. And then the waist. The waist will be approximately half the length of the shoulder. The hips will be equal to the shoulder, and approximately half inches below, I will mark the torso. I will mark the placement of the knee approximately 2 inches below the torso. Now it's time to join the lines. The elbow will lie at the proportion of the waist, and the fingertips will end where the torso ends. After you join the lines, flesh out the figure in a realistic way, because remember that you are drawing a human figure, not a robot. Make sure you always use a HB pencil for drawing the figure, and use light strokes at the beginning, because I'm sure you don't want visible erased lines around your fashion figure. After you have fleshed out the figure, you can make the figure dressed up the way you want. I'm making the outline more prominent by using 0.2 technical pen. It is not a very important step. You can just erase the rough lines and mark the lines and make the lines of your figure more prominent by using your pencil only.